It's reprieve for a family in Gitaru, Kabete constituency, whose home was completely destroyed by a devastating fire during the New Year's celebrations. This after well-wishers led by Kabete Member of Parliament aspirant James Wanjoy visited the affected family and provided essential household items to help them cope with the immediate aftermath of the disaster. The three-bedroom house owned by Lawrence Joroge Kariuki was reduced to ashes after a child accidentally lit fireworks, sparking a rapidly spreading blaze. Residents are living in